Hello guys, welcome to our channel Indrakshita Vlogs. We have a really yummy recipe, or you can call it a fast food recipe, but made with all hygiene and taste as well as healthiness. So we have the recipe of chicken burger, chicken kebab burger. So starting with our tikki making process, first we need to have these ingredients to make our tikki. Now what is this? This is chicken keema, around 200 grams. This is one big onion finely chopped. This is one green chili finely chopped. This is the amount of garam masala we are taking. We'll add according to our ingredients later on. This is turmeric powder. This is dry coriander powder. This is red chili powder. This is table salt. These all we will add accordingly later on. This is ginger garlic paste. This also we will add it later on. This is roasted besan. We will add it around 2 to 3 spoons. This is lime juice or lemon squeezed up. These are the small masales. This is dalchini powder. This is cinnamon powder. And this one is jeera powder. This is melted butter. We will add it into our ingredients of chicken keema. Now converting this chicken keema into bigger, broader container so that we can easily and equally mix it well. Now adding roasted besan, around 2 tablespoons. Then our dalchini powder, jeera powder and cinnamon powder. Then this much amount of ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, coriander powder, green chili, garam masala, red chili powder and salt according to our taste, as well as red chili powder according to our taste. Then 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Then adding butter, and mashing it with our soft and gentle hands like a dough. And then keeping it in our refrigerator for 1 hour. Now converting this into this bowl and then keeping it into refrigerator for about 1 hour. Now keeping our mixture of chicken keema for around 1 hour in refrigerator, we will make a tikki from this. Again mashing it and then making our burger tikki. Taking this much amount of chicken keema mixture and then rolling it in circular form like making laddu, and then pressing it from the middle gently so that it forms a spherical shape. This way we have made a one tikki. Have prepared our patties or tikki for the burgers. We will switch on the container, our grill pan. We have switched it on. Now our tikkis or patties of chicken keema are cooked and ready to be placed in our burger. A burger bun for chicken burger, we have taken the bun and sliced it from between such way, and then we will put it into our container for frying, or then we'll be applying little butter. And then turn our buns. Then again applying the butter on the other side, like so. We will let our burger buns on slow mode. We are done with our burger buns. We are done with our patties. Now we need to decorate it. We will be applying pudina and dhania chutney, which is homemade. You can make it at your home. Properly apply, and then on other side of the burger bun, again applying the same. Apply it properly to each and every corner, and then placing our 2 patties of chicken. It is double patty chicken burger. Then placing onion, tomato, and 2 to 3 slices of cucumber. Then pressing it with our bun. This is how you can serve it or carry it to your home, any place or wherever you want to take it. You can take it in this. So we'll show you the final, how it is looking. See, so yummy and delicious this burger bun is looking. You can feed your children who are very fast food free. This would be a fast food which you can make at home and which is healthy, hygienic, as well as it is good, or it's good for your children, right? So you can make it at your home. So thank you for viewing our video. If you like this burger recipe, please do give it a thumbs up, do subscribe, like and share.